Guys, who can tell me how to open how to write your first program in NetBeans? How to open NetBeans?
What?
How to open it?
Double click and then you say double click. Okay, and then open new project. New project. Right? And then after C. Can you speak louder, please?
You press C/C++.
C/C++.
Then you press applications.
And then
C++ applications.
so. And then what next? Next.
What's next?
That's all.
Project
What's
name.
happening after that?
Project name.
Nothing.
Project name.
Project name.
Yes.
After next. Okay, project name.
It's nine.
And then finish. And then let's try it practical and let's see if we are right.
Still nice.
You say new projects. Where's new projects? Let me look for new projects. Where's the new project?
Yeah.
Guys, where's the new project, guys? I should go too far, so you guys miss it.
So I don't know what to see. It's 5. Control Shift N.
And then you say C/C++.
Yes.
And then what is the name we should give it? Why my name?
Blend.
Blend.
Blend. Blend.
Blend.
Blend.
Blend.
Guys, I wanted to ask a question. What should happen if you uncheck this guy? It won't create a main file. So, is there a way for us, after building your project and then create a main file from there? You don't know if there's a way. Guys, you don't know if there's a way.
No.
If you forget to create your main file here,
Never tried
you
it.
don't know. You never try it.
Yes.
Can you try it and then see?
Yes, let's try.
Is that okay? And then if you open it up, like we said, there will be no main file, right? Now we need to create a main file. Give it a name. Let me just write it main. Just make my life easier. There you are having your main key who is here, and then you need to edit your code and so on. This is another way. Sharp. Sharp. There we go. Yeah. How are we testing if our compiler is normally running properly? How can you know that your compiler is running properly?
F6.
Hmm?
That's F6.
I should press F6.
Yes.
Hmm?
Some intro.
Is it running or not? You don't know. Let me remove this error. Otherwise, I'll be having the same problem with the previous group. Was fighting with me. Why is it giving this message? Are you guys okay?
Yes.
It's running, right? Yeah. And then if you want to print out the results or print out any text, what are the commands for us? Anyone knows? Anyone has an idea?
To what?
If you want to print out any word or anything, this is my face program, as you're not saying, this is my face wherever. What are the commands can you use? Cout.
STD.
You say cout std. Okay, let's try it. Say cout, and then what should happen after cout?
Angle bracket.
Which one?
Angle bracket.
Which way? This,
Angle bracket.
brackets.
this
man.
one.
No.
This one.
Yes.
Mm.
6 and 9.
Okay, what should happen next?
6 and 9.
Double quote.
Yeah, number 6 and 9.
And then I should write my things here. And then what next? That's all. Then let's try to run it. It's giving me an error. I should put what? Exclamation. Here. Let's try it. Let's try it. Still giving me an error. What is the problem?
What you...
The header file.
Can you guys speak loudly, please? You say? I should add a library. Which library should I include?
iStream.
iOS3. Okay, let's try it together. And then let's try to run. There we go. Did you guys get it? Those are some of the mistakes we always make when we are programming. Is that okay? Sure. If you want to create a space, what are the commands that you should use? End line. How do you put the end line? Where should I put it? Here. Like this.
Please. Thank you.
If I want to create,
I'm so concentrated.
I don't want this. Let's say I don't want, like I'm printing out hello words. I don't want hello and word to be in the same line. Like the first line is hello, the second one should be word. How should I make it possible?
You put backslash n between hello world and
Speak
between
louder, please, guys. Don't be afraid. No one is right, no one is wrong. So speak to me. We're all trying it. Guys.
Type another CR. I would say type another CR to then erase one, then write one, and the other one.
Okay, you say I should type
Nope.
another C out.
And then, yeah.
Okay, let me type another COT.
Aye.
Make my life easier.
Yeah, yung thing is she lang usually.
Oh.
That's what I said.
So, this is what you meant.
Yeah, but they should add the
No, it's
like
fine.
DL and
Huh?
L.
No, it's
How
fine.
should I edit then?
Then
Here.
Huh?
Here.
double arrows.
Double arrows. Which one? This one or the other one?
The other one. DL.
Yeah.
Try and run it now.
Semicolon.
That is a semicolon.
No, that's fine.
No,
Guys,
it's
did
fine.
you all agree?
Run it. Let's see. Yeah,
Yes, you get it. What is another way to do it? Instead of you writing doubles here.
You can put the backslash and between hello and world,
Yeah, you got it right.
and then bring back the land. And then bring back the land.
Yeah.
There we go. You're still having the same answer.
Yes.
Are we all fine with that? Cool. What is the purpose of this? Do we need it? Why not?
At this stage,
Hmm?
we are not dealing with two arguments.
We are not dealing with two arguments.
Hmm.
Any other reason? Anyone? If you answer, anyone want to try?
We're not dealing with
integer is for int is for integer, right?
and,
Integer is a number, so we're not dealing with numbers.
We are not dealing with numbers.
and characters.
Okay. They are characters. For now, we are not dealing with that. Normally, we use it when we're having parameters that we need to pass to another class, or we need some parameter that we're going to operate with it in that function instead of the function. For now, we may leave it or take it out. But I'm not saying all the exercises that you guys will have, you don't have it, you don't need it. Just let me make it clear. Because I know some people will be like, you didn't tell, you told us to always remove it. I know. For now, we are removing it.
Okay.
Maybe in the future, we're still gonna use it.
So, those things, are they part of the C standard library?
Which one?
Yeah, the ones you just removed. In order
It's
to
part.
use them.
I can even put int or float a, comma, int b. Up to me. I can even put anything that I want to put there. Is that okay?
Yes.
And then how do we declare a variable? Can someone tell me?
Int and the variable.
Integer.
Can you guys speak louder, please? You say int,
For an integer, it's int
int,
a,
a,
semicolon,
comma,
Comma.
b,
b,
c,
you say it? C,
Comma.
yes. Then we can put the semicolon.
and then I should put a semicolon.
Mm. Semi.
Is that all?
I see you.
If I want to do some addition, what should I do? I should?
You can
Please,
pass.
guys, speak to me.
You can pass
The
the
C,
I should do C,
C in,
C in,
then arrows facing
Other direction.
which direction?
and
A,
semicolon.
but let me first take the C in out. We'll cover it later. Without using the C in. If I want to do some addition, what can we do?
If you want to use what?
Some addition, like adding A and B. What should I do?
Pass.
You must pass it.
Hmm?
Pass a value. Or use the assignment operator to pass a value, or
Okay, how should I write it here?
You can write
A is equals
A.
to 5, 0.
You say A equal to?
wait. Understand?
Say A equal to
5.
5.
Yes. Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Or you can say plus 4. Still 5.
Please speak loud and be confident. I'm right. I want to hear you.
You can say.
Don't be scared. No one's going to laugh at you.
You can
It's-
say A is equals to 5 plus 0.
You say A
1.
plus.
Yes.
Should put a plus here.
No, not there.
Not with
5. 5 plus.
5 plus.
5 plus 1.
1.
7.
And
say
then?
one thing.
Colon. Semicolon.
Semicolon.
Yes.
Okay. So what will be the answer? Should we try?
No, it will give us an error.
Why does it going to give us an error then? So what is the problem with that?
I think he didn't
I think this-
tell he didn't program where it should give you the result.
You say we didn't tell the compiler that's why it should not give us the result.
It should.
Okay. So how will you solve that problem?
Remove hello world, including the quotations
Where?
in the C
See
out.
out. Why?
Okay, guys.
Baba,
Let me try something and then tell me if I'm right or wrong.
Okay.
Right?
yes.
Am I right? Are you sure I'm right?
No.
What is the reason why you're saying no?
What are you? But then what are you? We haven't given them the.
Must see out.
We haven't allocated the values for those. So
You didn't put
you didn't put values. So what are we
Are
actually
you then put
calculating?
values for?
Assign values for A, B, and C.
Okay.
so he doesn't know what to do.
That's. If you do something like this, it's still gonna give us an error when you're compiling it. Let's try. We're still gonna have an error
Yes.
because we wanna add. We wanna do some arithmetic calculation, but we didn't initialize the value. There is no value for it to use. So what should we do? We should initialize the value for A and B.
Yes.
How should we do that?
Assignment operator.
Assigning operator. How?
By saying A is equals to
Speak
B.
louder, please. Why are you
I am.
scared?
I'm not scared, you.
Yeah, speak such a way that I can hear you, please.
Say A
A,
is equals to that number.
which number? Give me a
5.
number.
Okay, let's
5.
take one.
Small 1.
Ne?
Yeah,
And then semicolon.
semicolon.
Then B
And then B
is equals to 2.
equal
Semicolon.
to 2.
100.
Yeah.
And then semicolon.
Yes.
What's that to 200?
I mean,
Should we try?
Yes.
yes.
Still underlying again. Let's try. I know there's an error. What is the error? Let's see. What does the compiler telling us?
You have declared C for
Yes, yes, sir.
On line 22, just remove the int.
I should remove the int.
Hmm?
Do we all agree?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you've already
You
declared it.
declared it on top.
You say? Because I declared it already.
Yes.
This is even the reason why the compiler is telling us. If you read declaration of int
In
C,
C.
then give me the number, where is it declared? And then here again saying int C previously declared here, showing me where it's already declared. So I need to remove one of them.
One of them. The second one.
Are we all on the same page?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's try to run it now. There we go. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Or is still confusing somewhere?
You're still boring us.
Okay. Can someone tell me if there's a... Let's try. Let me just... let me do this. Is there a difference? Is there a difference if I do something like this?
No.
Yes. What is the difference? The comma.
Wait.
Int A.
Oh, int
This one. Okay, let me take this. Let me just comment this guy. What is the difference?
A. The comma.
Is there a difference
No.
with the previous one?
No.
No. Do we all agree that there is no difference, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's try this. If I do this, is there a difference?
Yes.
What is the difference?
Because it's out of the main function. No.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Outside
It's
the
outside the main function.
It's outside the main function. Okay. Does it still going to run and wait?
Yes.
Yes. No. Who's saying no? Okay, why are you saying no?
The compiler will be doing
Yes.
because what's in the main function, that's what we call it.
Excuse.
Okay.
Excuse.
It's outside the main function. It's no longer part of the body.
It's no longer part of the body. Okay. Anyone else wanna try?
It will confuse the compiler.
You will confuse the compiler.
And when it is
Okay, let's try to run it and see.
It's only gonna. Yes. That's why. You know why?
You know, we are having two kind of declaration normally.
Because.
We are having what we call a local declaration
No matter what it is.
and a public one. If I declare it here, I think this on the next slide, maybe the one coming up, you see, we are going to cover it. You will go through it. If I declare it here, that means I can use it any way that I want to use it. I can even create another function here and then use the same value of A. I don't have to declare it anymore. But if I use it inside here, I can no longer use the value that I'm assigning to A and B outside of this function here. Am I clear or you guys still confusing? Confused. Okay. Let me try this.
from last semester.
Yeah.
Angela. Disappear. You can never know. That's my Yapali Idon Monday.
Okay, let's try to run it.
Yeah.
Need to.
Yeah, besa saya kan until late. Besa saya buya put Sunday. Mama kopi. Mama kopi.
Let's call him in the line.
Yeah, you're free. What time? Go to the season somewhere somehow.
Your house.
Pala nyama ni how nyenki na manch.
Your house.
Eh? 2 hours from now. Hasn't fully charged. Why no banana? No, okay, sorry. Hello. It's about this guy next to you.
Do you see what's happening here? Did I declare again the value of A and B here? Yes or no? No. I just publish what is there. So that means I can read the value of A and B wherever I want to read it. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
But look at this. If I take these two guys, bring it inside here, this is what is going to happen. It's going to give me an error. Let's read, why is it complaining?
Was not declared in this.
That is coming where?
Then.
Did you see what happened?
Mm.
Did you guys notice it?
Yes.
Yes.
I know you will understand it when you go again to the notes and then on the previous slide and then you understand it better.
What?
And then for now, I don't need you. I don't need this guy either. Yes. What will happen if I do this? I know some of you will do something with this. What will happen? Does it going to run? Hmm?
Yes.
Yes. You say
I
yes.
can't see.
Hmm? Is it going to run? Let's try.
It's not clear anymore.
It's giving me an error. Why? Let's. What does it say?
Compiler reads from top to bottom.
Remember, your compiler and computers always read from top to bottom. Doesn't read another way around. When you are coding, you need to make sure when you are structuring your programs to run from top to bottom. Like this way. Here we are telling him to add A and B. But we didn't declare A and B. We didn't even initialize the value of A and B. We are coming and do it after. So you'll be doing the addition, but it doesn't know which value am I adding with. Did you guys notice it?
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Or is it still confusing? You guys speak to me. Clear. If I want to do some multiplication, what should I do?
Put an asterisk.
I should
An
put a star.
asterisk. Not a star.
Oops.
There we go.
Oops, one. Yeah.
Uh,
Yes.
Julius.
Just want to make my code neat. I don't want a lot of line to be following up and down. Sharp. If I want to do some division, what should I do?
/
This one.
able.
Okay. Why am I having an answer 2?
Because you did. It's an
Integer.
integer.
So if I want to have a comma, what should I do?
Float.
Speak loud, I cannot hear you.
Introduce
I
float.
should put float instead of integer.
Yeah.
Where should I put float? Here.
Yeah. Not really.
That's okay. Okay, let's try something. We are playing around, right?
Yeah. What will happen if you say float me?
No. Let me keep it here.
What's happened?
Yeah.
Timmy?
What should happen?
Wathatha ividiyo and zonke lezi zinto esizishoyo.
What should happen?
Int only gives whole numbers, right?
Yeah.
So
Can you
if
speak
you
louder,
put a
please?
float,
Can you speak louder? I'm getting to you.
according to my understanding, right,
Yeah.
if you put a float where you put 8,
Yeah.
it changes 5 into 5.0
Yeah.
together with 2.0. So it's easy for it to actually give you the decimals.
The answer. So you are saying that we should change the input value to float.
Yes.
Doesn't matter about the data type of this guy.
Nah,
No. You don't think it does? Let's try. Let's pull it in integer, let's swap it around and then see what will be the answer. There we go. Oh,
Float C.
I should include it where?
Float C.
Here. I should write float. And then I should write float also here. Okay. Let's try it. Normally, this is an error.
Yeah. It's an error. Yeah.
It's right.
It works.
Yes, it's right.
Is it running? It's correct.
Because remember, ints, floats, double, we're having again strings, and so on. They are only data type. You cannot just mention a data type and then you didn't assign it to any one of the variables. It's still gonna run because the compiler knows about it. But reading your program, when I see already floats, your floats what? Guys.
You remember when you started the program?
It's not part of the
There was that
operation.
int, argument, char, and
Yeah,
the one you
Not part of the
Yeah.
operation.
but it's still compiled, correct?
yeah.
I think it actually ignores what's there inside.
It doesn't.
It doesn't.
Because when you see it will int something like this, right? This is the data type, this is the parameter this is the variable that is assigning with. That means inside here, instead of, let me try this. Instead of me using A, I'll use this guy and then try to compile it. Why is it complaining? Here inside I declare as a int, here is as a float. Let me put it as a int as well. Or no. Normally him I don't have to. Only B. My B need to go to the floats. Is that okay?
Also, it's an option if you want to declare from that bracket. It's single means as well.
For now, I don't want you to declare here. Because normally we use it when you are passing parameters around your classes or around your function. There's another function whereby you need to call it for you to do maybe a calculation. You're doing a calculation not here inside of your main. You need to call another class or you need to call another function for you to do the calculation. So you need to pass in some parameters. So that's why you're gonna mention those parameters and then make sure when you are passing the value, when you are calling that function, you need to pass also those parameters with it.
Watch.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you put only float alone, is an error. Where? I should remove everything. That's all right. Say it's float. Which one? Float. I should write it where? Here. Oh. Yeah, it will work. Yeah. Are we all on the same page?
Yes.
Is it helping you guys?
You get zero.
Okay, if I want to have a remainder of the division, I only want the results. I just want a remainder after the division. What should I do?
Ufuna zero ngiyakubona.
Guys, I'm listening to you. I should put? I just want the remainder. Yeah.
Put the percentage
Where? Here.
between argument and B.
Let's see what
What
is it
happened
going
there?
to give us.
On top.
Yeah, when I'm nothing.
So, what there? Yeah, we want to know what's happening. Hey.
Single.
Wait,
You is with.
wait a minute.
And you is with.
Wait, let's see. I think it's, yeah, it's not hard.
Binary operator.
What does it say? How can we solve it? Remember the remainder that is not, you are not going to have a dot comma. The remainder is something coming after the comma, right? There's a, are you still going to have another comma after the comma?
No.
Oh.
Is it okay?
It's
Did you
one.
guys get it?
Eh?
Then you multiply equal.
Hmm?
Multiply the number you got.
Ah.
And then can someone tell me how to increment? If I want to increment A, what should I do? Plus plus.
Plus plus.
Where should I put it?
After 5.
Where? Here.
In front of
Let me put it here. So not make it.
Now let's bring it back to A.
I should put. You say?
after A, you say plus plus.
After A, I say plus plus. Where? Here.
In
How should I write it? Can someone tell me?
But
Right in that line,
Int. Here.
sure,
I should write A,
plus plus.
A plus plus.
not there. In front of
Plus plus 5.
A.
Let's try.
Let's just try. Perfect.
We are writing our own book.
Huh? How we all agree?
We don't know.
No, let's try. No one knows. So we all trying and then see what will be the outcome of it and then see. This is how we learn. So we learn by making mistakes.
Run
So-
it first,
Let's run it first. Then we'll know. Okay.
It's giving us an error. What is the problem here?
Maybe it won't see out.
Oh, let me remove this guy. Let me just.
Hmm.
Why is it complaining? Forget about this. Is the one creating the problem, the plus plus 5.
Hmm.
So how can we solve it out?
I think plus plus should be after A plus of
Okay, let's try this. Mm.
Okay.
Is this the way it's supposed to be?
Hey, so what happened to C?
Just run it.
It's gonna give an error. Oh yeah, nine. Okay.
I should just run it. You guys don't know. I want you guys to give me information that is okay.
According to what you written, it makes sense.
Makes sense.
But now we don't know if the compiler says the same thing.
If the compiler is saying the same things.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me try this. But still it's gonna give me a value of A. You know why?
Why?
Guys, do you know the difference between this and if I write this? Can someone tell me the difference between both of them? What is the difference?
The first one is the post increment operator.
Yeah.
The second one is the pre-increment.
How does the compiler now read it?
I think
In the
the
first, in the first place, A plus plus. The value of first of all, A will keep its value, but that value won't be assigned to the second algorithm operation. But now in the second place, A plus plus A, they first give the value to A, then that value will be assigned.
You are right. So, this is what our friend is saying. Let's try it practically as well. I want to print out the value of A. Did you guys see? This is what he said. Is it clear or I still have to explain?
A is 6. B is 2.
If you put like this, like he said, is like, it's not going to increment. The value of D is still going to be the value of A,
Yes.
not a value of A++. It's going to increment the value of A, but not now.
If you put it like,
Because the first value, because remember, you are reading like this. When it's coming down, it's going to read first A++, yes, the value of A is 5. So that means it's going to take the value of A, that is 5, publish it. Then if it goes again back, it's going to say, now A is no longer 5, 6. But in this way, the way that our code are structured, it's not like going back, it's not looping, like staying in the same place, like going A+1 and then see how many times it's going to go there. So it's just going to take the first time, like A equal to D equal to A. Still not clear. Can I break it down? In this way.
can you break it down this side?
You say?
Can you come this side?
Should come this side. Okay. I said this way. When your compiler is reading, remember it's reading from the top to the bottom. Is it okay? Now, when it's coming here, tell me what is the value of A? 5. Isn't it the value that D is going to take? Or is going to take this value?
D.
Because when the plus is coming after A, that means it's incrementing on the next step. Is it okay? You still confusing?
I understand now.
So if the plus plus was before A, then the value of G will have been 6.
We'll try it as well, and then you see the answer.
Okay.
So why did we have the? You see the results of 856, right?
8, 5, 6.
Sure.
The A.
The A, I'm fine with it. It's 6.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And the D is
Then the
fine.
D is 5. I'm fine.
The 8.
Then the 6.
The C.
6, 5 plus 1. A is 5. Isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Then
Oh.
C reads A as A++.
Yeah. That is even why our result here changed to 8. It's supposed to be 7.
Oh.
Because if you read here, you increment A before doing the calculation.
Okay. So it's only D that should put the value of A previous.
Sure, Basugu. Yeah.
Watch out.
And then, time is up. Comrade.
We should do this whole night.
Yeah?
I love this class.
Yo, Kobe, man.
It was like this.
Well done, well done.